Welcome to today's Simplicity Specialty Training. Today's specialty training is on activity codes. First thing that we're going to do is go to our Simplicity User's Manual and look up activity codes. Activity codes can be found beginning on page 34 of the User's Manual. So what our User's Manual has to say about activity codes is that they are notes that we can save that are frequently used, and you can use them for quick use in the future. To add an activity code to the list of available codes, we'll click the Add button, which is the blue plus sign. To use an activity code to make a note, we'll choose the code from the drop-down list and click the Add Activity Code button. The code will automatically be made into a note and appear at the top of the notes list. So if we go back to our Simplicity, and we take a look at one of these accounts, if we scroll down to the bottom, this is where our notes are contained, and this is our activity code section. So as you can see in our demo account, we do have several descriptions already in here. If you're brand new to Simplicity, you may not have any descriptions. That's just fine. You'll just click this blue plus sign. Add your description. And click Submit. Okay, and that will show up as a default because it's the one that we just added, but it will show up in alphabetical order in your list here. If at any time you need to edit, you can edit this description by clicking the green pencil. Any changes you make to this activity code will be system-wide. So whether we add a new one, we edit the existing one, or delete this current activity code, those changes will be made system-wide. To add an activity code to an individual account, we'll just click Add Activity Code. And what this does is it just enters a quick note using our name, the note type, and then the date and time stamp. Are there any questions about activity codes? All right, if there are no questions about activity codes, we'll go ahead and conclude the training. Thanks so much for attending.